Hi everyone, I am Debdu Goswami and I will be your host for the evening. Hope you all are staying safe and indoors. Thanks for joining in on day 2 of Android Study Channel. After a previous session, many of you said in the feedback that the session was too long, so we have taken that into consideration and today's session will hopefully be over in an hour. Also, if you haven't joined our community, then do it now. In that way, you will get email updates whenever we host any new event. So, without wasting any more time, let's welcome Saif, our Android facilitator. Just like the previous session, keep asking your doubts in the chat and we will address them in between or at the end. So, Saif, the stream is all
Hi,
yours now.
hi everyone. My name is Sapali. Today I will cover new to programming session 2. Okay. Uh, in the previous session we have completed the part 1 to 3 on Android Basics Kotlin. Okay. If you do not watch it, this just go there and watch it. Link will be provided in the chat box. Means YouTube link. Okay. Uh, what are the prerequisites you require? That video you require to watch, have to watch it. Okay, just you can go to the link will be provided in the YouTube chat box. Internet require. Okay, let's recap what we have done in the previous session. Mm, yeah, in the previous session we have developed this app birthday card. Okay, let's go to the Android Study Jam. Yeah. Uh, yeah, we are doing Android new to programming. Let's go to the unit 1. In the previous session, we have completed this introduction to Kotlin, create an Android app, and we have talked about basic layout. Now in this session, unit session 2, we will cover this part. Add a button to the app. In this session, I will talk about classes, objects, and we will create an dice roll app. Okay, dice roll app. Okay, let's start with some how you can create a class. Just go to Kotlin Playground. This is the link, Kotlin Playground. Let me show you how you can create your class in Kotlin. You just type class and class name, say Kotlin. Yeah, this is how you can create your class, and under this class you can define many functions like say fun, mm, fun say app. Yeah, this is how you, that means that the class name Kotlin and the function in it is app. You can create another app class also like this, say Android. So let's create one function here also, app2. Yeah, basic purpose of this, I want to show you that how you can inherit one class to the another class. So nothing you have to do much here. If you see in a Java, you have to extend it by extend keyword like this, extend, extends Android. But in this Kotlin programming language, you do not have to specify this extend. You just use the colon and that will extend your Android class in Kotlin class. That means you can now access the all the functions properties of the class Android to the class Kotlin. Okay, this is a basic inheritance to the inheritance single inheritance. Okay, let's not much say about it. Let's start with a, programming in Android Studio. This was the previous app we have created. This was birthday card. Now we will create a dice roll app. Okay, so let's start with new project. Let's delete it first. Wait. Let's delete it first. I just close it the project. Okay. Let's create a new project. Project name will be yeah. Project name will be dice roll, dice roller. Say package name will be com.sap dice roller. This should be unique. Okay. You can change it to your name. Okay. You just change your domain name here. Say anything. You can type. Say Android com.android dot dice roller app. Okay, package name. Here you can specify the where the your package project will be located, and you choose the Kotlin programming language. Okay, let's finish it. Yeah, yeah. Here our project is open. Yeah, is it visible to you? Please, anyone just type on this chat box so I can understand it is visible to all. Okay, fine. Let the main activity be loaded. It's downloading the packages. Okay, let it be load. It will take some time. Okay, if you start the new project, then it will take some time. Uh, yeah, I started. Now it will start. Yeah. Here you can see a text box is here where written hello world. Let's delete it first. Let me split it into code as well as design part. Let's delete this. Okay. And now you can see we have constraint layout. Basic constraint layout you allow you to flexibility. Okay, that means you can add your views. Here you go at the design. Yeah, text views, button views, image views are the views you can add like that. Okay, yeah, you can add text views, image views. Okay, I'm just drag it here and button will be there. Yeah, perfect. We have to set the constraint. Yeah, this is how you can set the constraint. Okay. In this constraint layout, you have to set the constraint, otherwise it will make some trouble. Okay, that's for only constraint layout. Yeah, it's perfect. Let me give from bottom as well, top as well. Let's, yeah, perfect. Let's now go to this coding part. Here we can see the text view name is text view ID is text view and button ID is button. Okay. This is a basic way to just add your button using in the constraint layout. If you change it to relative layout, then you have to set the relation between one other. Let's we have designed this design part, and now we will go to coding part. Yeah, coding part. Now I will focus on basic main. I will focus in coding part. Okay, means this file, Kotlin file. You can see this is our package name, com android dot dice explorer, and this is the class name main activity. Okay, and we have inherit this class called app compact activity. If you go to there, app compact activity, there you can see this is the class. Okay, this is basically written in Java. Okay, but actually what the key point is here that Kotlin used Java JVM. Okay, basically it's wrap the Java. Okay, Kotlin wrap the Java. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we have on create. Whenever your app will launch, first on create will trigger. Okay, uh, here you can see we have name this res folder. Under the res folder will find layout that's name is activity main. Yeah, this activity name we have said this means assigned this in this Kotlin file by set content view using set content view function. Then we have added relative r dot layout under this resource file, and we have layout, and then under this layout there is one activity called activity main. Okay, so first we have to create an id or call this text view in this Kotlin file. How we can declare this this text view in Kotlin file means how can you identify this text view in Kotlin file? To identify, you have to use just create one variable, okay, where name say text. The type will be see this type is an text view. Okay, if you want to store the text views, so you have to specify the data type will be text view, and then just find view by the id uh, r dot id, and the id of this text view is text view. Okay, so we'll assign here text view. Okay, text, yeah, fine, we find it. Now you can see we have one button also, so we will do the same. We'll create var button. This variable type will be button type. Okay, so type button. Okay, we have to find view by id also here. What was the name of the id? Button. Okay, you can change you can also change the id. Okay, uh, let's not change it. Now I will show you how you can click this button, and you will get the random number over here that will show you between 1 to 6 as dice plays work, as dice work. Let's call this button. Yeah. In this button, we will specify the set on click listener. On click listener. That means whenever we click this button, we will listen it. Okay. Let's create the object. In this, what we will do? We will assign a first variable that will store the text. Suppose num. Okay. That will be type of int, because we will store the number between 1 to 6. Okay, so we define as int type. So now we will take the number range from 1 to 6, not range. Okay, so this is how you can assign the range. Okay, let me convert it to integer by, we will choose one. Okay, so we will give it to random. That means now it will randomly one number, means between 1 to 6, will it will assign to this num variable. Okay, and what we will do, if you assign if you click this button, then you will find that one number between 1 to 6 will assign to this num, and then we will display this number in the text view. Okay, so what we will do, say text view dot text equal to num dot to string to. Okay, that means you can do like that also, or you can do like this also. uh, yeah, you can do this like this also. Text dot set text, just you pass the num to string. This will work also fine. Okay, let's run it and see how this app will work. If you do not have knowledge to how to build this AVD, so you can go to this be here tool, and then you can go to this AVD manager. Then from here you can create your virtual device. Okay, you just select one phone and then any type of OS. Okay, from here you can download your OS. Okay, let's we have already, so we do not require to install it again. So let's run this app, simple app. Just what we it will do, whenever you click the this button, then it will show the number between 1 to 6. It's running. It's launching now. Yeah, whenever you click the button, it will show number between 1 to 6. See, this random number is given. We have seen that this text size is not big enough. So what we will do, we will resize it by giving some maximize this text size. Okay, so what we will do, we will use this text size. Okay, let's do it to 30 dp. dp is density pixel. We can change the color
Hello, Saif.
also.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt. Can you zoom in the code a bit? Like it's not quite visible.
Yeah, it's okay.
Just one second. A bit more, I guess. Little bit more. Yeah. Okay.
Now,
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
yeah, yeah, you can see I have set the increase this text size. Now I will show how you can change the color also, text color. You can give any number and let's give this primary color. Yeah, it's changed this color. You can also change the style of this text view. That means you can change the style of this text. Just type the style, text style. It will be in italic, bold. Okay, we will choose italic. Right, and it's now in italic. Now let's run it again, and we will see that our text size will be increased. Let's run it again. Yeah. Now, whenever I will click one this button, then this text will be changed. Yeah. See, it's showing between 1 to 6 number. Okay. So we have shown you that here we have only displaying you the numbers. So we will make some instruct something. Imagine. Let's download the images where we will replace this text view with images. Okay. So if you go to this here, you will see actually we have covered this one. Okay. If you go to this and you will see here it was specified that you have to create your these things. You can also go there and learn from yourself, but it will be better for you to if you learn from yourself because uh, if you more learn by yourself you will understand more. Okay, so basically we have done this only. Okay, so let's cut it, and now it's showing that we have to do add images to the app. Let's see how our app will look like. Okay, this is how our app will look like. Okay, so we will create this one. Okay, so we will first download the assets. Yeah, assets. I will find the link of the assets from here only. Yeah, URL. Let's download these assets. Let me open it. Right click, copy it, and paste it here. Yeah, let's unzip it. Yeah, so you can see these are the images. Okay, so what we will do, we will call these images in this app. Okay, so how we will do, we'll see. Let's go back to the app. Okay, so whatever the images will be, you have to store it in this drawer folder, Okay, so where is the image? Yeah, we will select this all and drag it to this drawer folder. Okay, yeah, it's available now in this drawer folder. Let's cut this. Now what we will do, we will replace this text view with image view. Okay, so let's remove this all. Yeah, you can see the design now. Just button is visible. Now I will drag one image view here, set it to normal avatar. Here also you have to specify the constraint from all side, from left side, right side, top, bottom, okay, everywhere. This is the thing you have to do in constraint layout, okay, only, okay, because constraint layout have many flexibility. You can drop it to anywhere. See, I can drop it to anywhere, but relative layout and all this linear layout have some flexibility problem, okay. Let's set it to the center, and this button will be roll. Let's change the button text, okay. What we will do from here, you also can change the text, okay. So just draw it here, and this is a text view, a text field, and you can change to roll. Let's click OK. It changed to roll. Let's go to this. As we have delete this text view, so it's showing error here, okay. So because we delete this text view. So what we will do, we will define the call this. Wait. Let me go to the coding XML file, and then we'll see that our image is here now, okay. So what's our image ID? Image ID is image view, okay. We will do the same here. We will create a variable, and variable name will be dice, say. This is a type of, you see, this is a type of image view type. So we will define as image view. Okay. So let's find it by view by ID. Find view by ID. Let's r dot ID. R is the resource, and ID that we are considering. Okay, these IDs. Let's name it image. What was the name? It was image view. So name it. This name should be same. Okay. Let's give it. Yeah. Now we have called this. Call this image to the Kotlin file. Okay. Now what we will do, we will see, we have seen that in the previous demonstration, we have seen that we were means by clicking this button, we were changing the numbers, and we have displayed this number to the text view. Now we will render the different types of images, okay. Suppose one will come, then we will show this one image, okay. If two is come, then we will show this two image, okay. Dice two image, okay. So how we will do it, okay. So let's see. Let's remove this. This is no longer available. Text view. So for this, what we will do, we will create a conditional expression. Say we can do with if or if else if also we can do it by when expression. Let's first see with when. That means whenever the num, this is how we can define the when. Okay, when is similar to the switch, okay. There is nothing about switch in Kotlin, but here when is there, okay. So what we will do, whenever we click the button, what the button will call this, will listen this, okay, variables. Whenever we click the button, it will assign one number to this variable, and then we will catch this variable here. And as this is the int type, so we have to specify the int values. Suppose one will be assigned as image view. Okay, image view. We will call this dice. Okay, wait, yeah, dice. Dice. We will set the image. Okay, sorry, set image resources. Yeah, this one we'll find it by IDs. Okay, means, yeah, you can see these race ID. Race ID means you have to call this resource files IDs. Okay, images IDs. So this under this r dot resource drawer, there is one image called dice1. Okay, so that means whenever this one will store to the num variable, then it will pass through the when statement expression. Then whenever the one will come, then it will render this image to the dice variable. The dice variable is defined as the images. Okay, so whenever the two will come, we will do the same, but we'll change the image now. Set image resource r dot drawer drawable dot image2. Okay, this is dice2. We will do the same. Okay, just copy and paste it. Yeah, let's change the numbers. Next will be 3. This dice image will be 3. Now 4. This dice image will be 4. Okay. If say 5, then we will call the image 5. This one is the image 5. We are calling it. Okay. If the 6 comes, then we will call the sixth image of the dice. This one. Okay. So this is the basic program for creating your dice app. Let's reload it and see how it's working. I just roll it. Yeah, it's coming. See, what we will do now, we will decrease this image size. Okay, this is wrap the whole content. We'll give this 100 dp, and here also 100 dp. Okay, so let's see. Let's put it a little bit downward. Let's run it again. Yeah, you can see whenever I roll this dice, it's showing the different number. Yeah, see, it's worked fine. So I have shown you through this. Where is the coding? Yeah, here. So I have shown you through this when expression. You can use the if else if also. You just let me show you how you can do with if else also. Let's commit it. Okay, I have just typed I have just select this all, and then I have typed control slash backward slash, then it's comment out. Let's see how you can do it do the same thing with the if loop also, if expression also. Okay, so whenever the num equal to 1, okay, so that means whenever the variable will store with 1, then it will pass through this if expression. Then if this if expression is true, then it will render the first image. Okay, so image will be this one. Yeah. Now we will use if else if to extend it. If num will be 2, then it will uh, call the different image. Let's say else if it will be num3, num equal to 3. That means if this if expression is true, then it will call this. Let's paste it here also. Just change the image. Will be 2 here. Here will be 3. Copy and paste it. Will be 3. Here it will be 4. The image will be 4. The image will be 5. The num will be 5. Then the image will be set as 5 image. Fifth image. The last one we will use else part. Okay. So just set the image. Dice set image resources. Tribal dot insects image. Okay. See. Now what we will do, we will run it again. We'll see it will work the same. Okay. The basic purpose of this was to make you understand that the same thing you can perform with when expression also, and when with the when expression and if expression also. Okay. Yeah. See, it's perfectly working. That was uh, uh, for our dice roll app. Okay, just create this when expression. Now you can see it's working perfectly. Okay, so if you go to this here, we have created this. We have completed this track. Okay, so this track was saying the same thing. We have to render the images. Okay, so you see, we have used these set image resources to identify the resources, and then we displayed it here. Yeah, see, these are the image resources, and then we call this here and we display it. Any question you have? Trying to delete the package, but I'm not sure it will work. whatever. So we have completed this track, okay? That means this track has been completed. Uh, this one, you can go to this, there, this is a video, optional video, okay? So you can watch it later also. At the end, you have to perform this quiz, okay? So you can perform this quiz also. So let's see what we have learned. Uh, the first question is which of the following is an example of class? Okay. So the options are a car that has a model, make and model, and that can be driven. Yeah, this is also a class definition. A flower has a scent. It's also means class. You can say it means the class is the flower is the class name and this scent is the property. This also is the same. Okay, this is how you can uh, take the quiz. Okay, so what we will do after completing this quiz, you will get one batch. Okay, let me show you how you can. Before you perform this quiz, you have to sign in. Okay, here by clicking this and then you just sign in and then after that you can perform it. Okay, otherwise you will not get batch. Okay. These are the things you can perform it. Let's do it. Quiz. This all are the true. Last one is not. I've already completed. That's why I'm telling you. What is the difference between class and instance? Instance is something that you create many times from the classes. Okay. Suppose you create one class and then from this class you can create many instances. Okay. Instance are something like objects, things. Okay. So class is basically a blueprint of anything. Okay. Any object. Okay. So, second question is option is a class is like architecture for a building, and this also is true. This one is saying the class is a categories of things, and while instance are of their properties. This also is true. And last one is telling you can create multiple instance from this uh, from the classes, and but you can't create classes from the instance. Yeah, this one is true also. Second question is for each of the following types of information, select whether it is a part of class or instance. Okay. So question is information about the properties shared by all things belonging to the class, such as number, size, and age, color. Okay, these are the properties of a class called things. Okay, so this is a proper definition of class. Okay, so we will choose class. The second thing is the specified properties are such as the specific color things have the color. This is the instance. True or false question. Okay, every main activity class in Java must have main function. This is not true. Okay, so what is the proper way to comment thing? Okay, so here is written that what is which of the following is not a way for creating comment in the Kotlin. This is the way to create comment. This is also the way. Mm, this is not the way. Okay. Here is written which of the following statements about conditional is conditional statement is true. Conditional statement is a way for setting up a condition and sure that codes following it is only executed if the condition is met. Means if the condition will meet, then program will execute it. That is true. Condition a conditional statement doesn't require any keyword. That is not true. A conditional statement can has only input variable. This is not true. This is true actually. You will require a variable. Okay. If when these are the keywords. Okay. If the statement can be used within the function, then return the based on the condition it defined in the function. Which is this. This is also true. What is the best reason to add the comment to your code? To explain to explain yourself, to explain to yourself or other way to way the code, why the code is written a certain way. To structure code like a chapter heading in the book. This is also true. So there, this will be all of the above. This question is saying which of the following data types are the data types of Kotlin. Okay, so int range is also the int data types. Okay, int also is data type. Boolean is also data type. Num is not the data type. And this question is saying which of the following are valid keywords used in conditional statement. We have seen this else if is the valid one, when is also the valid one. Okay, so you after performing this, you just submit it. You will get some score. Okay, yeah, you have seen that I have scored a 7 out of 9. Okay, that's good. Out of this 7 out of 9, after 7 out of 9, you will get one certificate. Okay, that is a eligible score. Okay. Let's see what was the wrong thing. Yeah, this was is incorrect. And what was, yeah, this one. Let's, you can do it, perform it many time. Okay, that's not the case. If you are getting wrong, that means not that you can't perform it again. Yes. So okay. So I you can see I have got this batch. Yeah, that was, yeah, dice rule. This one was the batch. Okay, I have got it. You can add it to these favorite batches, like, and then you just send it. We will provide one uh, Google Docs with Google Form. Okay, so where you all have to take the screenshot of this page and then send it to me. Okay, that was the thing. Yeah, let's go to this back. Yeah, let's reload it. G dots. So we have completed these four pathways. Okay, of this unit one. Okay, you can perform these all the quizzes. Okay, if you if you want to try it by yourself, you can go and take your quiz. Okay, these are the basic question. This was covered in first session one. Okay, so these are the simple question. Okay, so you just perform it and you will find your question and then you solve it and you will get batch. Hmm.
Okay, so Seth, I guess we can take questions now.
Yeah, you can take. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So first, like Yashovardhan has a suggestion. He's saying that you should be using SP instead for text size instead of DP. So like, is there any particular reason you can say for that?
Yeah, one reason is there is one scale type. Okay, it means if you see this screen, this is screen. If you use the SP, then it will take as scale pixel. Okay, or if you use DP, then it will consider as density pixel.
Okay. So
Means
and is there any particular
instead of
difference or advantage?
uh, actually, whenever you type this SP, let's see if you use image as where is the image size, yeah, here. Let's create one. Wrap content, text, side text will be some suppose Safari, okay, whatever you give. If you type here text size as suppose I give it 50 dp, okay, so there is nothing advantage here, okay. So actually if you see, if you give this sp, there is one uh, warning is coming, okay. So to avoid this warning, you just replace it with sp. Yeah, nothing is changing, okay. You see, yeah, you see, yeah, if you try to change it to sp, it will not change, okay. See. Actually,
Okay.
it's taking as considered as SP scale pixel and DP as density pixel.
Okay. And Yashovardhan is also saying that SP is necessary for accessibility, and like he's mentioning that DP is never recommended actually for text size.
Yeah, 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 same,
So
same.
okay, okay. Okay. So and one more like yeah, funny question from Sandeepan. He's saying that how to make an app that uninstalls itself. So you can say something on this?
Uh, you can use the timer also to uninstall it. Okay, so this will not be a working type. Okay, you have to require a activity performed. Okay, that means you have to manually uninstall it, or you can use the uh, alarm type. Okay, from that your app will be triggered. Okay, so what it will do? It will automatically uninstall your app.
Okay,
Uh,
okay. Got it. Yeah,
one
maybe he just said it as a joke. I don't know.
Yeah, there is a
Okay,
class. Okay, if you see alarm,
okay,
this alarm manager. Okay, from using this alarm manager, you can use the timer to whenever. If you see that how our app means whenever you set the alarm. Okay, so without have open it means alarm. Okay, so you are getting the alarm screen over your phone. Okay, at the time of as you set the timing, uh, at the same time you got the app open, okay. So by
okay,
using this, you can set the timer, okay. So at the time, if the time comes, then it will automatically uninstall it. Just one function you have to call, okay. From you can also call this from uh, here terminal, okay. You just type the avd, okay, avd uninstall, okay. So you specify the package name and it will uninstall it. apd uninstall package name, okay, so it will uninstall it.
got it. Okay, okay. So yeah, so that's I guess all about the questions. Yeah, so that's all about the questions. Okay, so it was like a wonderful session. Okay, so I guess that's about it. We have come to an end of day two of Android Study Jam.
Yeah, I want to mention one thing more. Okay.
Oh, okay, okay, sure, sure.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see. Let's go to the this one. Uh, uh, we'll go to the unit one, where we have seen that we have worked with this new to Kotlin. Okay, so where I have demonstrated you the Kotlin. Okay, Kotlin code in the previous video. Okay, these three things. Okay. Okay, what was the purpose? I was saying that we have created the app with image, text view, and we have added the button also. Okay, yeah, this pathway. This pathway is saying that we have to use with buttons. That's why we have created an app that's using button. Okay, see this button is we are using. Okay. Now in the next session. In the day tree, we will cover input. We will take the input from the user. That means this one. We will cover unit 2, where we will see how you can take the input from the user. Means you will specify the edit text. Okay. Okay, edit text. We will means create one calculator like app. You can create something like that. Okay. These things we I will also demonstrate in the next session. Okay. This is for the next session. Okay. This one and this one will be on the next session. Will be performed. We will be performed. Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so that's it, right? Okay, perfect. Yeah, okay. So that's it. So we have come to an end of day two of Android Study Jam. As always, if you guys have any doubt, then join our Discord server. The link for the same will be shared in the chat. And yeah, we will address all your doubts there itself.
Yeah, yeah.
And yeah, so you guys have been a wonderful audience. See
Yeah.
you all at day three of Android Study Jam. Have a great evening.
Yeah, one more thing I want to add. Okay, please.
Okay. Yeah, sure, sure. Okay.
Yeah. So what I want to say that if you try to learn it by yourself, okay, if you go to this course, okay, so it will be better for you. Actually, the Android is huge thing. Okay, there is many thing we may or may not perform it in the sessions. Okay, so if you go with by yourself, if you want to learn Android, okay, if you want to become an Android developer, okay, so you go and complete this all the tracks. Okay, so you will find that at the end you will able to create your app by your own. Okay, so what I can do, I can just demonstrate you various ways and things from that you can create your app. Okay, but if you go into the Android developer, okay, if you want to become an Android developer, then you have to go with you have to manually learn. Okay, by yourself. Okay, so you can go to this developer.android.com. Okay, yeah. From here you can learn many more things. Okay, that was the basics for call. That was this is specified for only the uh, uh, courses that is specified by the Google. But if you explore it, this Android developer.android.google, if you please add this link to the comment. Okay, I'm giving you in chat. Okay, just to paste it in the chat, YouTube chat box. So you can explore the this Android here. Okay, you will find here docs where you will find this Android. Okay, you will see there is many things you can learn. Okay, activities. What is activities? Okay, introduction to activities. All the developers are started from here only. Okay, so it will be better for you if you go through this and you will learn all these things. Okay, it shows the architecture, what the real architecture is followed by companies to set up their Android app. Okay, if you see there is a navigation component that shows how can you navigate from one activity to another activity. That thing I will demonstrate in the upcoming sessions. Okay, if you see there is a lot of things you can use the intents filter, user interactions, there is many things. Okay, if you want to go deep in Android developer, if you want to become an Android developer, then you have to go through this all. Okay, this there is a well documented documentation which you can follow. Okay, and that was from my side. Okay, done. Done, W. Yeah.
Okay, so that's it. So you guys have a great evening. Thank you for all for joining in. Have a great day.
Yeah.